Wood shutters, sometimes called plantation shutters, are favorites among homeowners, giving your windows a built-in custom look. They look just as elegant on the interior as they do on the exterior. With gorgeous finishes and beautiful slats called louvers, wood shutters not only make a statement in your window, they can also add value to your home with increased curb appeal from the outside. Whether they're open or closed, wood shutters create a picturesque view thanks to their rich whites, neutrals, or dark wood tones. The wooden louvers come in a variety of sizes. Choose big and bold for a clearer view out, or go with a more minimal louver size for smaller frames. Wood shutters also increase your home's energy efficiency. They're excellent insulators when the louvers are closed thanks to their snug fit and sturdy construction, which can save you money in both the summer and the winter. These top-of-the-line window treatments can be upgraded for a more personal look with a number of options that go a long way. Wood shutters can be installed with different mounts and configurations to achieve the number of panels in the exact arrangement your window requires. Gallery or sculpted frames lend a more dramatic appearance along the outside edges as well. Hidden tilts can help keep the profile of wood shutters more uniform, and customizable hinge colors can be selected to match other hardware in your space. While wood shutters are some of the most beautiful treatments around, they're not the most durable. Due to their makeup, they can be affected by moisture and heat, especially in bathrooms. Wood shutters can become quite costly pretty quickly. If price is your #1 concern, you might want to consider a faux wood shutter. Alternatively, large slat wood or faux wood blinds can also give you the look of shutters. The real wood construction and sturdy build of wood blinds can make them extremely heavy in large windows. When you combine that with some of the tricky configurations of shutters, it can sometimes mean a difficult installation. We recommend professional measuring and install for most shutter orders. The weight of wood shutters also means they can't be shipped everywhere. Be sure to check the product description to see where shipping restrictions apply. Blinds.com offers the best wood shutter experience so you can decorate your home with ease. Explore our full selection now to see which one is right for you. And if you need help choosing your perfect window covering, call 1-800-505-1905 to use our free design consulting services. Our expert designers are ready and waiting to help today.